Hello YouTube. Looks like we're going to have a white Christmas this year. And I'm making this video to show you how you can have a nice fireplace going on your HD TV with Christmas music playing. All you have to do is take your laptop and an HDMI cable and connect them together. Then you go on YouTube and you find a nice fireplace like this one. And of course, ours is playing via long cable through our sound system over here. And if you wonder how to do that, there's a video on my channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And Merry Christmas, everyone, and Happy New Year.